Legal Business Watch delivers modern business intelligence reporting for law firms running their practice on PCLaw software. Many firms struggle in getting key client and business information in front of their partners, associates, and staff in a timely fashion and in a format that is intelligible. Legal Business Watch is available firm-wide with up-to-the-minute knowledge. Your lawyers and staff can also receive scheduled emails with reports and dashboards tailored for them. For instance, every Monday morning at 7 a.m., your assigned lawyers receive reports delivered into their email inboxes with up-to-date litigation budget balances for their cases. This is the Legal Business Watch interface, and it's showing me all of my open PCLaw matters. Legal Business Watch has full access to the PCLaw database, and we can add complementary data into our own database and then report upon this combination. For this reason, any report imaginable is possible through Legal Business Watch. To that end, the first report group we are taking to market is phased litigation budget reporting. This package enables a firm to tie up to 5 phased budget estimates to each of their PCLaw cases. This report shows the budget balance reserve against the time docketed in PCLaw. So for instance, this matter right here, 2-001, I can see there's my client name, my matter, last bill, last entry, responsible lawyer, assigned lawyer, and here's my budget information. I can see that we've budgeted $6,500 for phase 1, and $7,000 has been docketed against this phase and case in PCLaw. So we are negative $500 in terms of our estimated budget balance reserve. And also we can see, if we keep going, there's my phase 2, phase 3, phase 4, and 5, and it goes along. So this is a complete report. Legal Business Watch will highlight the status or health of the budget. It's showing a negative balance of $500 in red. A balance within 20% of its estimate will appear in orange, which is the case for this matter down here. Otherwise, they're in black. So as you can see, here are all of our open PCLaw matters combined with their budgets and balances. So phase 1, for instance, would be assessment of the matter, development and administration. Phase 2, pretrial pleadings and motions. Phase 3, discovery, etc. This report group enables a firm to successfully manage budgeting for the ever-growing number of large spend clients who require it. The firm is filterable based upon a range of criteria, and to quickly get the information we need in front of us. For instance, let's see how we are doing with our best insurance company client. So we'll just type best in here, and I'll hit the search, and we can do multiple layers of filtering. So I could do client and assigned lawyer, or client assigned lawyer within a date range, anything like that. So we'll just search this, and this is just going to show how we're doing with this particular client. And here it is. This report can also be exported in some other formats. We can export to Excel, PostScript, PDF, Word, or PowerPoint. We can also at a glance see how the firm and our lawyers are doing with budgeting for our clients through the dashboard view. Firm-wide budget status shows, let's open this up. Firm-wide budget status shows the health of our active budgets, i.e. black, orange, or red. We can also filter our dashboards for specific criteria, such as by client, lawyer, date range, etc. Budget status by a responsible lawyer shows the number of active budgets by responsible lawyer and their status. Budget versus time. shows a monthly view of the dollar value of our budgets against the related money docketed in PCLaw and on a month-to-month basis. And finally, budget status timeline. Is budget status on a month-to-month basis and shows our performance over this period of time in terms of the amount of budgets that we have and then the health at the time of those budgets. And obviously the goal would be for a firm to have less and less, or hopefully no longer have any statuses that are red and less orange, and get everything into the black. This is a chart that could be produced for a client to show ongoing improvement. We also have a Gantt chart in development, which will assist in visualizing the work undertaken by the firm from a resources and scheduling standpoint. For Legal Business Watch reports that only need to read PCLaw data, the user would just select the report and run it. Based upon the criteria that they would want. For litigation budgets, we are adding our own information, and I'll quickly show this process. So let's say we want to add a budget reserve for let's say for trial and trial prep for the MEBO case. So I'll just type that in there. And I'll open it up, and as you can see, we can add information in here. So for phase 4, I'll budget $30,000. Whoops, $30,000 from, and the start date is October the 1st for this phase. End date is the end of this month. And I will now docket some time in PCLaw. So open up PCLaw, open up the timesheet, and here's for the MEBO file. And let's say here's 100 hours. And here, let's do it for the 21st. And here for another 100 hours, and I'll say OK. So I'll post this time, and I'll open up the litigation budget report, and we'll see how that how it looks. So litigation budget report, and I'll only pull up MEBO. That's all we need to see. Okay, so here's the MEBO case, and we'll just scroll over to phase 4, and we can see phase 4, there's the $30,000 that we budgeted. There is the $50,000 of time that was docketed in PCLaw, and we have a negative balance of $20,000 against the budget. And I can also see that that 1 day remains until this budget is estimated to be complete. Okay, so that was an overview of Legal Business Watch and the Litigation Budget Report Group, which is our first offering. We also look forward to building a group of core law firm reports, which will present key time billing and accounting information at a glance. Please help us with your feedback for the information you want to see in this report group. Please go to legalbusinesswatch.ca and assist us with your ideas. Legal Business Watch can create literally any report group your firm needs. An example could be contingency analysis and disposition, or a report group for partner equity, or firm profitability, you name it. Thank you very much for viewing this demonstration, and please check out legalbusinesswatch.ca and give us your feedback. We are committed to bringing truly modern business intelligence reporting to firms using PCLaw. Thank you so much.